Hi everyone. Today we might have double trouble. I don't know. I'm not trouble. Son-in-law the trouble. Anyway, we got two dishes. Crispy noodle pork ball and crispy noodle prawn. In Thai we call sarong. That means wrap in a skirt. So cute. You know we have a good dipping. I got coconut sriracha for all you hot people. I got spicy sweet chili, just more like a medium. I got coconut sweet chili. It's mild and nice and tangy. I have something for everyone. First of all, we're gonna make the paste with the garlic, little bit white peppercorn. You can use black too. We want a coriander, this part here. No, I love this part. I love the flavor. You've been watching my video, you will know. Gonna chop it. Add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna go to the gym today. I'm gonna pounding. See, cooking makes you younger. Pound to the rough paste. Spoon. Should look like this. Oh, perfect. Add to your pork mince. Now we add the fish sauce. Now mix it all up. Must use your hand, like this. No, I say so. Oh, smell good already. Smell the coriander, smell the garlic, smell the pepper. Now you have to slap the pork. This makes good texture. Now I have all the tips. Now you can see nice and sticky. Now pork is done. Now we do the noodle. Today I'm using fresh egg noodle. This one nice crispy in the oil. Now we're gonna separate it out. Make it easy to roll later. Now I'm gonna get my prawn, put on the noodle and roll it up. Look like prawn wrapped in a skirt. That's what we call in Thai kung sarong. Sarong means skirt. This one original Thai snack or party food. You know, no, I like the party. This one also my son-in-law favors. See, no, a nice son-in-law making nice prawn. As you know, I drink too much beer. Now first dish done. Now we're gonna do the pork bowl, the noodle. Take a little bit of pork, roll a nice bowl, or you can do this way. Put on the noodle, roll it up the cover. Can be a little bit rough, doesn't matter. Bun it all up, make sure they stick. There you go, so cute. Okay guys, you know how it goes. Now let's cooking. Now let's do the prawn first. Slice it gently. We don't want too hot, the noodle will burn. Turn it over, it's nice color. Oh, look at that. Just a couple of minutes. If you see the loose noodle, skip it out of the oil. The way it won't burn. Look at the nice color. Just golden brown. Arrange on a paper towel. Look at the crunchy. Oh, the pork's very nice. Oh, just look at that. That's nice color. This is how you make fancy meatball. Nice way. Put it out of serving bowl. So crunchy. Homemade is the best. Nice and fresh. Ooh! Put a little bit coriander. Make it look nice and pretty. Another winner from Noi.